and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from FGNormal. They were kind enough to send me some items, so I'm going to start with what I think is the smallest one. It's easier to save space on my desk. So this is one of those paintings that looks like quilling. So if you saw my last FGNormal unboxing video, I did one that was like quilling, however it was a full drill diamond painting. This one is a partial, so you don't do the background, and in fact you just seem to do more the outline of the quills or the quilled piece, the pieces of paper. This one is in a special diamond, so we do have the rhinestones with this one. The actual area is 25 by 25 is your printed area, and then you pop the little diamonds on to make it stand out. It does come with a toolkit, boat wax pen, and then for the rhinestones we have smaller ones and bigger ones. So if you can see here, we have bigger ones sort of in the centre of the quill, and then we have smaller ones going down the outside. Don't know if that's a technical term, but we have some gorgeous colours. So we have some hot pink, some different shades of blue, purples, yellows, and we have a couple of different shades of each by the looks of it. We've got some greens, some more hot pink, and then these are the slightly bigger ones. So these are slightly larger rhinestones in orange or yellow, yellowy orange, red, blue, purple and turquoise. So quite a quick project this one, but I think quite a dramatic one once it's done. If you have any Disney lovers in your home, I'm sure that would be something that they would quite happily frame and pop on their wall. So that is painting number one. Number two, and most of these are open because I did an FGNormal Christmas special. It took me a while to find all the Christmas stuff out of it, but I didn't go any further than to determine if the colours were Christmas or not. This is number two. So this is a 30 by 30 of these gorgeous, I think they're parrots. They might not be called actual parrots. So apologies for any bird lovers out there, of which I know we have a few, if it's not an actual parrot and it's a different type of bird. But I was thinking of our bird lovers when I did pick this one. So we've got two little lovebirds. In fact, that might be what they're actually called. I don't know. I'm more of a diamond painter than a bird knower. But you do get a toolkit with it, of course. It's a 30 by 30. The actual diamond painting area is just short of 25 by a couple of mils short of 25. It has 24 colours. It does come with DMC numbers. It is a round, and they do use white and black symbols, but all the background is sort of a marbly effect, as you can see by the image there anyway. So quite a nice mixture of colours throughout the painting. But look how that branch looks. It's amazing how they get that branch to look like a branch. Just by using diamonds. So to have a look at some of the colours, of course the branch will have more muted, the lovebirds themselves will be more vibrant, so we'll have a mixture. Start off with a vibrant yellow. That's your 310, so not too much. We've got some more muted greys, beiges, browns, greens, purples, oh look at them, reds, orange and yellow. We've got some pinks and some blues, a bit of brown, a couple more greens, pinks and more muted colours, and then we have a few more, I don't know, that purple, Might be muted. It's muted when it goes next to yellow. It's not muted when it goes next to black. And then we have a little bit of white as well. So a nice colour selection for that one. But I think they just look sweet. So that's one for the bird ladies that I know watch my channel. I thought it would be nice to... I'm always trying when I'm picking diamond paintings to, you know, go by the interest that I've seen people have, as well as, of course, I need to like the painting. Otherwise, when I unbox it, you'll be able to tell. But yeah, I just thought that was so sweet and really nice and colourful to do. I love a good colourful painting. So that is number 2, and then number 3 is a big painting. So you can probably tell by the thickness of the stuff in here, and it's not going to give me the size until I've unrolled it. It does go this way. Ooh, what's that background colour? 712 looks to be the main background colour. But I just really liked it. It's still going. You ready? So it is classed as a 35 by 125. And it is loads of different light bulbs. It is sort of a mirror image. So that is one half. And then this is a mirror image, but still slightly different. So we do have the dragonflies, of course, are different. And there is a butterfly there, there's not that side. But the birds are facing each other, the dragonflies are, and then it gets a little bit more different. We do have some design in the background, though there is quite a bit that is the solid. There is 24 colours in this one. You can see that's sort of the full image there. Actually looks a little bit elongated, that full image. The bulbs to me do look like bulbs. Do look like light bulbs. And the actual design area is 30 centimetres by, let's see, is my tape measure long enough? I think it is. I cannot remember. Does it? I think, yeah, it goes over a metre. It is 120. Yeah, so it's 30 by 120, 5 centimetres of it is the border, but I just thought it was so nice. You do actually get 2 toolkits with this one, in case you'd like to share. And then you get a load of diamonds. So they've got the main diamond one, that tick background is 712, which is... It's not that bag actually. That one is 739, which is the letter Y, which is probably the other main one on the background. There's number 9. There's the bulk. I always thought 712, the one I think is more of a grey. So this may be one where their shading is slightly different to DMC. Oh my goodness me, how many do we get at all? Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 bags of that background colour. It's to be expected, it's over a metre long. And then this is your other sort of background colour. So you do need to like some block painting for this one, though I would probably work on this one from one end to the other. So you will find that within your strip you're working on, you have some block, you have some confetti, you know, you have a mixture of what you're doing, and then you go on to the next block that may have a bit more, depending on how wide your sections are. You may have quite a big block, but then you'll not have a lot. And I do that rather than going across. But that's my personal preference. But look at some of these other colours. Look at that blue. That's gorgeous. So we do have some really nice pops of colour all mixed in with, of course, this background. We've got some pinks, gorgeous blue. Oh, look at that deep pink, pinky purple. Some browns and some greens, more greens, oranges, blues and pinks. And that one is gorgeous. So yes, you do have a lot in the background side of things, but there is quite a few lovely colours as, you know, the accent that you will scatter throughout. And I think the image is worth it. I really do. I think it's gorgeous with its dragonflies and its butterflies. Some are in light bulbs and some aren't. But yeah, really nice picture to be able to work on. So I've got that one to show you. I will put links to all of these down below, of course. Then we have the two little lovebirds, and then we have the shape of a mouse's head. If you know which mouse I mean, that's fine. But yeah, shape of a mouse's mouse head. Could be Minnie as much as it could be Mickey. But yeah, I'll pop links to them all down below. Do let me know your thoughts. Would you work on such a big painting as this? Would you enjoy it, not enjoy it? Do let me know. But thank you for watching, and to FGNormal for sending me these goodies, and I'll speak to you all again soon.